In this video I'm going to show you how to measure up for a roller blind. You want to start by measuring the top of the recess, and then the middle of the recess, and the bottom, and then measuring the drop in 3 different places. And you want to take the smallest measurement down. With your roller blind you'll come with 2 brackets. One is for the control side and one is for the holder on the other side. You'll also need 4 screws and some wall plugs, and obviously to drill your holes, but I've already done that. You will need to come away enough to miss the handle, which in this case is 40mm, and then you'll mark 40mm on the recess, and then hold the back of the bracket up to the mark, and then mark your holes in the bracket, and then obviously drill your holes. Once you've drilled your holes, then install your plugs. Just give them a tap with a hammer. And then you're ready to install your bracket. Obviously look what control side you need, and then take the control side bracket. Same again with the other one. Then you're ready to install your roller blind. Installing the roller blind, you want to take the spring-loaded end first, insert it in the bracket, and then pick your control side. Once you've installed your roller blind, there is a child safety mechanism that you will need to put on. You will need to mark this. Taking a small drill bit, make sure the cord's just tight enough. Mark your child safety, and then change to a masonry bit. And then drill a hole for a plug. Then install your plug. sure the screws lined up with the plug. Install your cover cap. And that's how you install the child safety. Right, that's how you install a roller blind. Any questions, please feel free to email or call us on the numbers and email below.